Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable background apps on Windows 11 2025. Go to Settings from Start. There, go to Apps and then to Installed Apps. In the desired application, click on the three dots to choose Advanced Options. After that, in the field Background Apps Permissions, you must select the option Never. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.